Hey EDU 259, I just wanted to apologize again for the confusion with the switchover in Blackboard. I wasn't aware that it was happening, otherwise I would have been more proactive. But the positive of all that is that we are able to meet synchronously without any issues for the rest of the semester. So we will not have any face-to-face class meetings, and you guys won't be required to come to campus at all. So I think that's the positive, even though there was a lot of confusion in the process. I know that you guys are all gearing up for week 2. Remember, this class runs from Tuesday to Monday, so all of your assignments are due on Monday evenings. I also know that you guys are very well versed in Blackboard and how to navigate, but I wanted to take a minute and go over your curriculum models assignment that you'll be working on for the next 2 weeks. Attached to this announcement in Blackboard, I will have assigned each of you a specific curriculum model that I want you to research. And you notice there are 3 parts to this project. The first part is a PowerPoint presentation. There are a lot of details here about what you need to include in your PowerPoint presentation. For example, at least 12 to 15 slides. You want to do a high quality PowerPoint, so make sure that your slides are colorful and creative. Your slides shouldn't have a lot of text on them, but because you're not doing a live presentation, you want to give enough information where I will understand why you included certain things and that you have enough content to your presentation. You can also use the notes section in PowerPoint to create that narrative so you can explain more about each slide. It's always great to have actual classroom pictures and materials in your PowerPoint slide and in your PowerPoint slides. And remember, I will be evaluating your submission based on the quality of the content you provide, as well as the quality of the PowerPoint itself and how visually appeasing it is. Part 2 is a video, and in part 2 you're going to do a 5 to 7 minute video overview of an activity that you would do that aligns with whatever curriculum model you are highlighting. One of the most important aspects of this video is, of course, you want to have your materials there to share for the presentation, but you also want to be very articulate about why you chose this activity and how it fits into the curriculum model you researched. The way that you explain that will help me to see how well you understand the curriculum model you research. So that why piece is a pretty important component of part 2 of the assignment. Part 3, the last part of the assignment, is a written paper. In your written paper about your curriculum model, you are going to focus on the teacher's role, the child's role, the role of the environment, and you also want to fully explain each role and provide at least 2 examples of each that further demonstrate what role each of those participants play in this curriculum model. Your final paper should be between 3 and 4 pages, and make sure you use APA format for citing your sources. You do have a couple weeks to work on this. You should start your research right away, start formatting everything, but you will, of course, have time to ask questions and get clarification if you need it. So please let me know if you need any help with this. If you have any questions about it, I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. I hope that you guys have a great week. I hope we don't have any more technical issues this week. I'm here on campus if you need me. Also, let me know if you want to meet via Blackboard Collaborate. I can do that as well. Have a great week.